Welcome to Health and Wealth Beyond. Goals require work and time management. Any single goal requires hard work and properly constructed time management schemes to work in harmony in an effort to achieve our dreams. When you are diverting a plan to meet your goal, then you need to work a time management solution that runs smoothly and consistently. I am going to include an example of a faulty time management scheme and an over-your-head goal agreement. According to Business Week Online, SEP. 24:32 p.m. Eastern Time, file bankruptcy now, before the law changes. That's the message, or exhortation, that attorneys are making across the country, in TV commercials, print ads and mailings, urging Americans to seek bankruptcy court protection before a new law makes it harder for them to walk away from their debts. Debtors are responding. Counting down toward the October 17 effective date for the biggest reform in U.S. bankruptcy law in a generation, personal bankruptcy filings have jumped this month to the highest on record. Filings averaged more than 9,000 per day, up roughly 50% from last year's average daily volume, during the first 2 weeks of September. The statistics says that this number is climbing before the deadline. Is this your goal in the next 10 years? Please comment below. If not, then you had better get to work committing yourself to the requirements, which include hard work, in order to achieve your goals. Time slips from our hands, and if we are not monitoring our time carefully, then time and money is lost. Today, it takes two people to meet one goal. However, if we are single, it is possible to move ahead with less effort than we realize. For example, you can cut back your time by doing your work on time. You can also make a wise decision and get a job that pays you the money that you deserve in sync with your skills. There are many decisions when it comes to managing time, and no decision should be left out. In the course of 10 years, anything can happen. We can lay out a well-constructed plan that seems bulletproof, but suddenly everything changes when we did not calculate all aspects of life into that plan. Now, the percentage of bankruptcies is often a direct result of negligence in time management. Some of these people most likely failed to add and subtract disaster in their time management plan, while others may have took for granted their achievements and went on a spending binge. Whatever the reason, someone did not put work and time management in proper force. When we plan to achieve goals, we should look at ourselves foremost, and then move on to other requirements that support our goals' reach. Knowing ourselves first can help us to see if we are lacking in one area, and which area of our being is the strongest. Time management schemes help us to reach goals, by keeping us motivated. If we are lacking motivation, it takes work to stay motivated during the process of reaching your goal, then we need a solution. Starting with knowing ourselves is the first step to setting goals, achieving goals, and setting up a time management scheme that works. Once we come over this obstacle, we next move to planning to reach our goals. We start with work and critical thinking. One of the best tools in our lives is education, since it directs us in the right path to success. If you are lacking education and skills and your goal is out in left field, you know that you need to improve. Starting a business is never easy. It takes time, effort and money. If you do not have these three ingredients, your goal is cooked. Therefore, you need to set up a budget, savings, and monitor your time carefully to meet your goals' expectations. There are many ways to make money and save money. All we need is the knowledge, skills and the willingness to achieve. Now, if you are looking at the picture in this article, in the next 10 years if you don't plan to struggle with the law to file bankruptcy, then you better get the ball rolling now and work hard every single day, while you carefully lay out a plan that helps you reach your goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.